How to remove gamma watermark. So if you want to remove gamma watermark, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your gamma presentation. Once you have your presentation, now if you go with the download section, which is on the top right, it will have export PPT, or export PDF, or export as image, right? So if you try to export it, then you'll have this kind of interface. As you can see that it says that you need to have a subscription in order to download or in order to remove the gamma watermark. So to remove the gamma watermark, you need to upgrade to a subscription like a pro month plan, a pro quarter plan, or you can go with your year plan or lifetime plan. You can also compare your packages right here and select the package that you're comfortable with and just click on upgrade and then go with your payment method and upgrade it. After upgrading, you'll be able to download it without watermark. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.